The YolanAuto Wireless CarPlay Adapter reliably converts a factory-wired CarPlay or Android Auto system into a wireless setup, so you can leave your phone in your pocket and still get full functionality. Its dual compatibility with both Apple and Android phones makes it a practical choice for households or drivers who regularly switch between different devices. A modern wireless connection that combines a 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi link with Bluetooth keeps maps, music, and calls responsive with very little delay. The adapter preserves original in-car controls, including the touchscreen, steering wheel buttons, and voice assistant, so the interface feels just like the built-in system you are used to. Setup is essentially a one-time pairing process, after which the dongle automatically reconnects whenever you start the engine without needing extra applications or special configuration. The compact and lightweight housing is easy to tuck away near the dashboard ports, helping to reduce cable clutter while keeping the interior looking clean.